be used for making oil.
Oh, macadamia.
Yeah. Also,
Nuts. Inside is nuts.
Yeah, nuts.
It makes oil.
Yeah.
And there are some more macadamia nuts. The tree is big, yeah?
It grows very big. This one is still very young.
Still very young. Oh. It can grow big. And that's a kathal. Kathal, you know, jackfruit. Jackfruit plant. I know, I'm from Kolkata. Srila Prabhupada's place, you know? Calcutta. Yeah, there we find there are a lot of jackfruits. Jackfruit trees, দেখো jackfruit. দেখো কাঁঠাল হয়েছে বন্ধুরা, দেখো কি সুন্দর কাঁঠাল গাছে কাঁঠাল হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, এখানে অনেক বড় বড় কাঁঠাল হয়। হ্যাঁ, এখন বোধহয় সিজন নয়, এখন ছোট ছোট কাঁঠালের সিজন। হ্যাঁ, কি সুন্দর কাঁঠাল হয়েছে দেখো, jackfruit. When the season is, jackfruits will come here also. Yeah?
Yeah, there were many.
There were many. You cut it. And those are bananas. Banana plants. Oh yeah, next to it, this is mango, yeah? Sweet mangoes are there also. And those are?
This one is napier also for cow.
For cows, yeah, grazing.
Can I come with you?
Yes, definitely. And those are mangoes. I can see mangoes. Is there mango now? Season is finished now. Say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
You say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So, mango. Yes, they are the devotees. Oh my God, I can see. These are oranges. No Pixie. Wow, sweet Pixies are here. Wow.